Okay, everybody, we are about to switch games, but before we do that, we have to do Wizard's cooking session. That's right. So first off, Wizard has to deal with what he has in order to make lunch. So we don't have any deli meat today, nor do we have a butter knife. So we have 4 pieces of bread, wheat, and a spoon combined with natural Jif crunchy peanut butter. So first, we place our plate on our keyboard, hoping that no buttons are going to be pressed. Then you open the peanut butter. Make sure to turn it counterclockwise about 4 or 5 times. Then you take the spoon. Now you scoop it. Take a good chunk of peanut butter. Take a piece of bread and just smack it. Then you smudge it all over that bread. Take the other side and just smidge it. We spread it and just smudge it up in the bread. Gotta really, really do it. Gotta smudge it just right. That's gonna be enough for one sandwich for me for right now. Then we're gonna slap it. Then we're gonna take the other piece of bread and just slap it. Oh no, but you gotta line it up just right. Almost like an aircraft thing, like you're trying to refuel, and just get right up to it and just and squeeze it tight together. Okay. Then, before we eat it, we go to the next sandwich. So we take another piece of bread, take the spoon, and we scoop the peanut butter. This one's going to be a little bit more. Okay, we're going to try to. It's just sort of. Oops. Okay, now we're going to just take it and smack it on the bread again. Scoop it on off there. There we go. Then take the back of the spoon and just spread it up all in there. All from one side to the other. There we go. All right. Now, we still had some more peanut butter there. So we're going to just dab it there in the center and just leave it like that. Then we take the other bread and we just close it up like a trick. Now, we now have 2 sandwiches of peanut butter. But one of the steps before you start to eat is you then have to take the other, then you then have to take the remains and just close it up. Remember, when you're closing the lid, you have to turn it clockwise. Turn it to the right. No, your other right. Okay. Wait, it's not closing right. There we go. Now the peanut butter is closed. Solarian says almost everyone's first speech class assignment, simple demonstration, make a sandwich. Now that we've made the sandwich and put up our trash, we now must eat the sandwich. So you take the sandwich and you put it at a 90-degree angle. And then you take a bite. And then you chew, but preferably with your mouth closed. Now, if you are running behind on time and have to eat really fast, it is okay to stuff your mouth. Just eat the whole thing at once. However, you want to only put in enough in your mouth where your mouth can still stay closed as you chew. So let's do this attempt. And that was my presentation of making and eating a peanut butter sandwich.